Hey YouTube, so you're back with me, YMF, in another episode of our channel. Alright, so today we're gonna talk about a software that actually helps me, find inspiration. In order to do this, we'll actually go into Logic Pro, and there is this plugin called Alchemy. Okay, so that actually helps, and I'm gonna go real quick into the software to go through with you what I actually do. Use it and then help yourself in the future. And you're back in our beloved Logic Pro. And what we're going to do today is, you have this problem where you have created your full project, all of your music is intact, your arrangements are fine, everything is rocking, and then you figure it out that, you know what, there's something missing in my project because it is too stale, it is too technically correct. You want to add a bit of crunch in projects. So let me introduce to you this plugin called Alchemy, which you can download from your Logic Pro. Okay, so what they have is, distortions, flanges, phasers, everything modern pop artists, those kind of effects that you want, it's all in there. So real quick, we are gonna hit to the top left corner of our screen where we can actually see Logic Pro. So we click on it and then we go here to the sound library. So in this sound library we have all of this, right? We want to open the sound library manager. Okay, so in the sound library manager we want to go to Alchemy. You see this here? Yeah, so we want to import this into our project. You would actually have to set up space in your internal hard drive, 17.6 gigabytes for that. So we're gonna hit install. Okay, so after 2 hours of recording, moving on, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new software instrument. Create something. Change this to Alchemy. So once you're in this plugin screen, you can actually see all of your other plugins that you've actually installed on your Logic Pro, and one of them is Alchemy. So we're gonna go through Alchemy today. Okay, for the rest, actually Alchemy is very big. It's a big library, so I think you might even need 4 or 5 parts just to thoroughly go through what it is about. It was a standalone, and then Apple bought it back in 2015. So what it does is, it's like a synth pad for your item. So let's say we're gonna play this, whatever we made. So you can see that I can actually change the synth on that. Let's say I want to change it into drums. So see, even changes the chords. All the popular sounds out there. Okay, let's change. I want to go to guitar. Now let's go back to the studio. Alright, thank you. So I hope you really liked that segment that we did on this, and if you have any questions, please drop your questions in the comment section below, and drop us a like and subscribe to us so that you can receive updates about our new videos that will come up. Alright, so here's a message from our sponsors.
Hey audiophiles and music creators, if you are like me and you're on the go and you want a lightweight microphone that can actually suit all your podcast needs, try the ATR 2500 USB Audio-Technica microphone. You have a tripod that comes with it, and look at that, a big microphone, enough to hear your voice from across the mountain pass. So once you attach the tripod to the microphone, just set it up, attach the USB, and you're ready to go.